Good morning, students. Today we will study chapter 4 Simple Equations. Setting up of an equation. Let us take Amina's example. Amina asks Sarah to think of a number. Amina does not know the number. For her, it could be anything 1, 2, 3, 11, 100, and so on. Let us denote this unknown number by a letter, say X. You may use Y or T or some other letter in place of X. It does not matter which letter we use to denote the unknown number Sarah has thought of. When Sarah multiplies the number by 4, she gets 4x. She then adds 5 to the product, which gives 4x plus 5. The value of 4x plus 5 depends on the value of x. Thus, if x is equal to 1, 4x plus 5 equal to, here replace x by 1, it can be written as 4 into 1 plus 5, that is 9. This means that if Sarah had 1 in her mind, her result would have been 9. Similarly, if she thought of 5, then for x is equal to 5, 4x plus 5 equal to, here replace x by 5. So this can be written as 4 into 5 plus 5. That is 4 5 is 20, 20 plus 5, 25. Thus, if Sarah had chosen 5, the result would have been 25. To find the number thought by Sarah, let us work backward from her answer 65. We have to find x such that 4x plus 5 equal to 65. The solution to the equation will give us the number which Sarah had in her mind. Which Sarah held in her mind. Let us similarly look at opposite example. Let us call the number Balu choose as y. Appu asks Balu to multiply the number by 10 and subtract 20 from the product. That is, from y, Balu first gets 10y and from there 10y minus 20. The result is known to be 50. Therefore, 10y minus 20 equal to 50. The solution of this equation will give us the number Balu had thought of. Review of what we know. Note 4.1 and 4.2 are equations. Let us recall what we learned about equations in class 6. An equation is a condition on a variable. In equation 4.1, The variable is x. In equation 4.2, the variable is y. The word variable means something that we can vary, that is, change. A variable takes on different numerical values. Its value is not fixed. Variables are denoted usually by letters of alphabets such as X, Y, Z, L, M, N, P, etc. From variables, we form expressions. The expressions are formed by performing operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on the variables. From x, we form the expression 4x plus 5. For this, first we multiply x by 4 and then added 5 to the product. Similarly, from y, we form the expression 10y minus 20. For this, we multiplied y by 10 and then subtracted 20 from the product. All these are examples of expressions. What equation is? In an equation, there is always an equality sign. The equality sign shows that the value of the expressions to the left of the sign, the left hand side or LHS, is equal to the values of the expression to the right of the sign, that is the right hand side or RHS. In equation 4.1, the left hand side is 4x plus 5 and the right hand side is 65. In equation 4.2, the left hand side is 10y minus 20 and the right hand side is 50. If there is some sign other than the equality sign between the left hand side and the right hand side, it is not an equation. Thus 4x plus 5 is greater than 65 is not an equation. It says that the value of 4x plus 5 is greater than 65. Similarly, 4x plus 5 is less than 65 is not an equation. It says that the value of 4x plus 5 is smaller than 65. In short, an equation is a condition on a variable. The condition is that two expressions should have equal values. Note that at least one of the two expressions must contain the variable. We also note a simple and useful property of equations. The equation 4x plus 5 equal to 65 is the same as 65 equal to 4x plus 5. Similarly, the equation 6x minus 25 equal to 4x plus 5 is the same as 4x plus 5 equal to 6x minus 25. An equation remains the same when the expressions on the left and on the right are interchanged. This property is often useful in solving equations. Now come to example 1. Write the following statements in the form of equations. Say first part, the sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. Say the solution. First part, 3 times x. 3 times x is 3x. Sum of 3x and 11 is 3x plus 11. The sum is 32. The equation is 3x plus 11 equal to 32. Now come to second part. If you subtract 5 from 6 times a number, you get 7. See the solution. Let us say the number is z. Z is multiplied by 6 is 6z. Now subtracting 5 from 6z, one gets 6z minus 5. The result is 7. Therefore, the equation is 6z minus 5 equal to 7. Now third part, 1/4 of m is 3 more than 7. See the solution. 1/4 of m is m upon 4. It is greater than 7 by 3. This means the difference m upon 4 minus 7 is 3. The equation is m upon 4 minus 7 equal to 3. Now come to fourth part. 1/3 of a number plus 5 is 8. See the solution. Take the number to be n. 1/3 of n is n upon 3. This 1/3 plus 5 is n upon 3 plus 5. It is 8. Thus, the equation is n upon 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Come to example 2. Convert the following equations in the statement form. First, it is x minus 5 equal to 9. See the solution of first part. Taking away 5 from x gives 9. Now come to second part. 5p equal to 20. So see the solution of second part. 5 times a number p is 20. Come to third part. 3n plus 7 equal to 1. See the solution of third part. Add 7 to 3 times n to get 1. Now come to fourth part. M upon 5 minus 2 equal to 6. See the solution of fourth part. You get 6 when you subtract 2 from 1/5 of a number m. What is important to note is that for a given equation, not just one but many statement forms can be given. For example, for equation 1 above, you can say subtract 5 from x, you get 9, or the number x is 5 more than 9, or the number x is greater by 5 than 9, or the difference between x and 5 is 9, and so on. Come to example 3. Consider the following situation. Raju's father age is 5 years more than 3 times Raju's age. Raju's father is 44 years old. Set up an equation to find Raju's age. So see the solution. We do not know Raju's age. Let us take it to be y years. 3 times Raju's age is 3 years. Raju's father's age is 5 years more than 3y. That is, Raju's father is 3y plus 5 years old. It is also given that Raju's father is 44 years old. Therefore, 3y plus 5 equal to 44. This is an equation in y. It will give Raju's age when solved. Come to example 4. A shopkeeper sells mangoes in two types of boxes, one small and one large. A large box contains as many as 8 small boxes plus 4 loose mangoes. Set up an equation which gives the number of mangoes in each small box. The number of mangoes in large box is given to be 100. See the solution. Let a small box contain m mangoes. A large box contains 4 more than 8 times m, that is 8m plus 4 mangoes. But this is given to be 100. Thus 8m plus 4 equal to 100. You can get the number of mangoes in a small box by solving this equation.